Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to be talking about face detection. What is face detection? So face detection is also called as facial detection. It is an artificial intelligence, means an AI-based computer technology to use and find the identify human faces in digital images and videos. So you can say we detect the faces in images or videos. So, face detection technology is often used for surveillance and tracking of people in real time. Just like we have the CCTV cameras, if you want to track down a thief, you have to get face detection. Like, this is the picture of the thief, and now we're going to track him down. Now, people often confuse face detection for face recognition, but the key difference between these two are that face detection can only identify the presence of a face, while face recognition can identify an individual based on their appearance or face. So you can say you have a picture of yourself. With face detection, you'll only be able to get a box or detect your face, but with face recognition, once you will scan it, you will get the information like your name, what your gender is, what is your height, and who are you. Just like that. So now we're going to be moving on to the coding part. So as you can see, we have the code over here, and we're going to import the two main libraries of all time. From Google Colab.patches, import cv2_iamshow. This helps us enable the function in Google Collaboratory, because without it, we wouldn't be able to work with images and videos. After that, we're going to import CV2. After reading our image by clicking on this file and clicking on this upload button, you are going to show the image, like how the image actually looks like, the original version. Then you're going to print the image. What I mean, the shape, the height, and the width. So how do I convert the image to gray? You're going to use this function called color BGR to gray, which means it converts the whole image to the gray scaling. After that, we're going to use face cascade and cascade classifier. This helps us detect the face, and after doing the code and adding our cascade, frontal face, default XML, we are going to do the for loop. So for X, Y, W, H in faces, which means for all the faces there, we are going to detect the faces. And then we are going to show the image. So as you can see over here, this is our original image. If we scroll down, we have our gray color image. And our final output is that all the faces in this image is detected. So I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye bye.